What's up, guys? Your boy CJ here. With another episode of the old race truck today. Got some new wheels for it last night. Me and my cousin went on a little trip. Sold the black wheels, and with that money, bought some off-road B-lock wheels. So hopefully it'll actually look good. I'm putting the 315/50/17 radials on them all the way around for Texas Truck Jam. Yes, I won't have. I mean, my truck's four-wheel drive, but I won't have the four-wheel drive engaging until after Texas Truck Jam. After Texas Truck Jam, man, I'm putting repainting, redoing this whole paint on this axle. All this axle here is way much better than what I have under the truck here. It's just it just needs a lot of fucking work, and that one's really solid. I'm just gonna put my rotors and stuff on it because I got Jordan Slaughter rotors here. But other than that, after Texas Truck Jam, that'll be under it. Four-wheel drive will be engaging properly. Also, I will be changing out my drums and converting them into a all-rotor disc brakes in the rear, as you know, just like the front. But today we're gonna see how it goes putting on these B-lock wheels on this truck and see how it looks. Hopefully I like the way it looks. We gotta take the bucket off. Alright, so now I'm gonna just take these two rear rims and tires off, load the other two radials up on the daily truck, and take it on down to old Gomez Tires in Waller, get them swapped out, and come back, slap them on, and see how they look. Load it up. Now I just gotta load my kids up. Got my wife and my daughter. They're going with me. Get these things on. My buddy, my brother Christian, already waiting on me over at my neighbor. He's already waiting on me, ready to fucking slap these things on. But yeah, I hope they look good. I won't show them until they're on the truck. Or actually, you'll probably see them whenever man, going down to my buddy's road, got this thing dirty. Y'all probably see on me just installing the tires on it. But yeah, and then for those that don't know, with the same dude I'm about to go see, we had a little incident. So back to the OEM bumper, which I will get color matched soon, probably after Texas Truck Jam. A lot of things are going to be redone on this truck after Texas Truck Jam. I just don't want to do it just yet, just because I didn't want to get held back or not even be able to take the truck. Took my windshield tint off just because I got tired of getting messed with the cops. Other than that, that's really about it. Yeah, so let's get it. All right, so we made it to my buddy's made it to my buddy's tire shop over here at Gomez Tires over here in Waller, Texas. Gonna get these unloaded. We already got the guys over here unloading these. So yeah, check these things out. So these are the wheels. Here are all the bolts, the instructions and everything, how to torque them down. But yeah, this is the fifth wheel, the one that the guy used for a little bit, just to try out on one of his tires. But yeah. Whew. Yeah, anyways, this is his car. Some of y'all know him, but this is, I think, a 9 to 1,000 horsepower car. Z06 cammed, I think E85 on meth. I really don't know all of his mods on this car, but pretty sick car. Sounds good, chops hard. And here's Gay Boy, the famous. By the way, he will be on this versus that. Well, he already was. But when does the YouTube video come out?
I believe 5/20.
Yeah, so on the May 20th, if y'all watch this versus that from Hoonigan on YouTube, yeah, he'll be on there. He'll be on there racing that car against, well, I shouldn't say much, but because you're not supposed to until it happens. And I already did, but until that video comes out, I think they got rules or something to say, like what they can say and not say about the event or whatever, because it's all private event. But yeah, y'all check us out, slapping these radios on these new beadlocks and get home and see how it looks on the truck. So let's do it.
Los carros un poquito más fácil porque tiene un labio donde tú lo alineas allá y se queda ahí. Y estos no. Pero más que los carros también son más grandes.
I want to see what this looks like.
If this was polished, that'll be hard.
Right?
That polish looks hard.
Oh, that's crazy.
I don't know, I'm becoming a slut for polish, bro.
You are a slut.
I am. Like, I think polish looks really good now on wheels. The quality of the wheel is not like it's good. It's just usually on beadlocks, you have like a little ring right here. They'll hold the tire in place. So
well, that's probably what this is right here. This spot.
Yeah, but it has like a location right here for your beat. So like when you put it in there,
okay,
it won't move or anything out of place.
Makes sense.
That was where it was.
Either way, it's a big change.
Yeah.
We'll see how they do. If they don't do good, huh?
First time ever seen beadlocks
on the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they have to get like off-road, but they seem pretty cool. They look cool.
They look pretty cool.
Hopefully, they look good on the truck too. Bop. Where you want me to set this down at? Just
You
anywhere?
can just put it like on top of the tire or anything.
Well, that motherfucker's gonna fall.
It won't fall. You were pretty impressed. You were running against the Camaro, huh? The white one?
Yeah.
That was a good run. Not gonna lie.
Heck yeah.
Usually, like on those speed locks, like right here, there's like a little dent. So
Yeah.
when you leave it like that, the tire just stays. The guy doesn't move. When you put the ring,
Huh.
it makes it a lot easier.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
That's why when I saw that, I was like, what the flip?
Yeah. You put yours on yours?
Your cousin was here.
Oh, really?
I knocked those out like in 10 minutes.
Dang.
I've got to used to them, brother. It's super easy.
Yeah.
I still got to send those ones to get polished.
The black ones?
Yeah, there's be another one.
Whose are they?
Homeboy. Charged, I think, 800.
Ah, damn.
That's cheap. In Cali, they charge $2,000. He was gonna ship them out.
Oh yeah. Just kind of want to use these all the way. So we're just setting up the passenger rear, kind of set them up where the better ones in the front, you know, the less kind of good ones in the back. And yeah, so right now we got the passenger rear, the driver front, and now we're working on the driver front. Yeah, hold on. This is, where's the arrow? So that one goes this way. Hey, so that one would be the passenger front. So yeah, it's wrong. So we got to flip it back over because of the arrow. So if we're putting on the truck.
This is gonna be in the rear for the driver.
Oh, is it?
This one's better.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's. Yeah. You're right. You're good. My bad, dog.
La 255, ¿te acuerdas que te di coordenadas el sábado? ¿Se lo ordenaste, pa? Era una cosa, no me puedo tomar que era de la parte de ¿Mande?
I had to put it under the shade because it's kind of high. I mean, this side, I'm going to do this side first because the other side, there's still more shade. Get the pry bar and the impact. I may have to paint this up just because it'll probably end up showing it. We'll see. Yeah, I'll probably will paint that because it's gonna show. One thing I got is, I guess, woodwork. Thought I had more paint, but I guess I didn't. So, and I'm not finna go back to town just to get more paint. Scuff that rust off. So because I keep having storage issues apparently on my freaking phone, because that's what I use to record, so I get better things later on, I'm gonna just show the aftermath. But I'm gonna put this one on, come over here, slap this one on. So there is the aftermath with all of them on. I'm gonna pull it out, kind of give it a more of a like a backup view, but I dig it 100%. This thing looks wicked with these wheels. Oh yeah. There it is, guys. Man, it looks kind of wicked to me. Yeah, I dig it. Clean her up real good. She'll be solid, dude. Clean all that glue off of that thing from the tent. Man, that looks freaking cool. Yeah. You have it, guys. That was it for this video. Next video will be about Texas Truck Jam and being with the guys, with the boys and everything. I will be hauling it there. The only thing I will probably do with the truck is dynoing it, and that's about it, really. I don't want to put it on the track just yet. I want to fix some other things first, and just do some different adjustments before anything. But after Texas Truck Jam, it's on. It's game on for sure. Doing the whole axle, the front axle, doing the whole four-wheel drive linkage to where I can put it in the shifter in the truck. I gotta find me a roller or a parts truck or something that has everything that I need to just take it off and slap on it, and then do other things to it. Really, a lot of other things. I got a lot planned for it. Other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me just slapping on these wheels, goofing off with my buddy at the tire shop, and just kind of excited to actually have some actual racing wheels. Well, they're not really off like racing wheels, they're just off-road wheels, but they're B-locks, so once I'm able to, you know, later on do some crazy racing, I won't have to worry about the tires slipping on the rim. So heck yeah, hope to see y'all guys soon at Texas Truck Jam. Hope y'all like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, share.